In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Smartsheet link in just a few straightforward steps. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply want to share your work with a colleague, knowing how to efficiently share a Smartsheet link can enhance productivity and streamline communication. First, you'll need to open the sheet or report that you want to share. This is your starting point and the document you'll be giving access to. Make sure that the sheet or report is exactly the version you intend to share. It's always a good idea to double-check the information and make any final adjustments before moving on. Once you've confirmed that your sheet is ready, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the all-important Share button. This button is your gateway to inviting collaborators to view or edit your sheet. It's designed to be easily accessible, so you won't need to navigate through a maze of menu options. Clicking on the Share button will open a dialog box. This box is where you'll specify exactly who can access your sheet or report. In this dialog box, you'll need to enter the email address of the person or group you want to share the sheet with. Simply type in the address and make sure it's correct, as this is crucial for the invitation to reach the right destination. If you're sharing with a group, perhaps a project team or department, you can enter a group email address, ensuring everyone gets access at once. The next step involves assigning a permission level to your recipient. Smartsheet offers different levels of access to suit various needs, including viewer, editor, and admin. Think carefully about what kind of access each person needs. A viewer can look at the sheet, but won't be able to make any changes, which is ideal for simply showcasing your work. An editor, on the other hand, has the capability to make changes to your sheet, suitable for collaborative work where input is necessary. The admin role grants full control, meaning the user can make changes and manage sharing settings, so reserve this level for trusted team members only. After selecting the appropriate permission level, you're ready to send the invite. The system automatically embeds a link to the sheet in the invitation, making it easy for your recipient to access the document with a simple click. By sending this invitation, you're empowering your recipient with the necessary tools to view, edit, or manage your Smartsheet, depending on the permission level you've assigned. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've efficiently shared your Smartsheet link, opening the door to enhanced collaboration and better information flow. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe or follow for more useful guides and tips.